Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to add the timesheet from the calendar view in Odoo 19 timesheet module. So for that, we can just dive into the timesheet module and we just need to switch into the calendar view. So here you can find the calendar view and we have the option to add the timesheet from the calendar view. To add the timesheet from the calendar view, here we have the plus icon. Upon clicking on the day or select a range of days that would generate the timesheet for the selected project, and it is mandatory to specify the project over here. I would like to consider the project over here as the sales order, and we have to choose the task. Let me choose a task as decoration, and here we also just need to specify the time, and I would like to set the description as a decoration work. So once it's been set over here, you can just click on the plus icon, and we just want to add the task over here, the timesheet over here. So let me choose the date over here, and if you want to just select it over here, you can simply choose the date on which you want to add the timesheet, and you can just do that. Or you can also just manage with dragging and placing the time. You can just choose the date range, and you can just drag and place on the days on which you want to add the timesheet. So this is a new feature in Odoo 19 timesheet. That is, we can simply add the timesheet from the calendar view. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.